We've all been there, wandering through a massive blue and yellow maze, eating Swedish meatballs, and later questioning our life choices while starting at an Allen wrench and a half assembled desk. IKEA is the world's largest furniture retailer, but how did a small Swedish mail order business grow into a global empire? The answer isn't just cheap furniture. It's a masterclass in business strategy. Today, we are breaking down the IKEA business model canvas to see how exactly they turned logistical headaches into billions in profits. The first thing, value and customers. So let's start on the right side of the canvas. Who are they serving and what are they offering? IKEA's target audiences are clear: price conscious customers, students, young professionals, and urban dwellers. People who want their homes to look good but don't have thousands of dollars to spend. This directly drives their core value proposition. IKEA doesn't just sell furniture, they sell democratic design, a blend of form, function, quality, and sustainability, all at an incredibly lower price. Plus, they offer a unique flat pack model and an experiential, family friendly shopping day out. How do they deliver this value? Through their channels. Their massive blue box retailer stores act as giant showrooms, warehouse hubs, and restaurants all in one, seamlessly backed by a modern e-commercial mobile app. The center, the DIY retail ship trap. Now, look at how we interact their customer relationship. This is where IKEA's genius shines. They use a DIY model, that is, do it yourself model. Psychologists actually call this IKEA effect, a cognitive bias where consumers place a disproportionately higher value on products they partially created. By making you build the furniture, IKEA doesn't just save money, they make you feel prouder of the end product. Add in limited personal assistance in store and the IKEA family loyalty program, and they have built an ecosystem that keeps you coming back without requiring expensive high touch customer service. The left side, the operational engine. But how do they keep prices so low without going bankrupt? Let's look at the operational engine on the left. Their key activities focus heavily on efficient product design. IKEA engineers don't design a chair and then figure out the price. They start with the price tag, say $20, and design the chair to fit that budget. They also excel at global supply chain logistics and visual merchandising. Their key resources, or our assets, include their massive global network of suppliers, proprietary flat pack technology, and of course, their powerhouse global brand. To pull this off, their key partners include large scale furniture manufacturers, global shipping companies, and tech partners who keep their e commerce running smoothly. They build long term relationships with suppliers to keep material costs at rock bottom. The bottom, the financial blueprint. Finally, let's look at the bottom line, the financials. IKEA's cost structure is highly optimized for cost optimization. Because furniture is flat packed, they aren't paying to ship air. They can fit way more products into a single shipping container, slashing logistics and storage costs. This enables their highly profitable revenue streams. Yes, they make money from high volume product sales like sofas and tables, but they also drive massive price impulse revenue from home accessories, small service fee for delivery, and believe it or not, food. The IKEA restaurant is a massive revenue driver that also keeps hungry shoppers inside the store longer. Conclusion, the takeaway. When you look at the whole canvas, you realize IKEA's true brilliance. Every single block supports the other. The flat pack design reduces shipping costs, which lowers the cost structure, which allows for a low cost value proposition, which attracts the price conscious customer segment. It is a perfectly closed loop of operational excellence. So the next time you are building a mom dresser, remember, you are just putting together pieces of wood. You are actively participating in one of the most successful business models in human history. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which multinational company should we map out next. Thank you.